So hello, isang matubig-tubig na kaaraw sa inyo lahat. So this time guys, this will be the continuation is among mga gipang create, no? So this is the part 2. So mag-flex sa isa sa one of the elements, no? So this time, so first na among i-flex is, as you can see, medyo na background, no? Again, this is the himbis, no? So water. So for the water elements, sa so, i-flex karon, no? So this time, amo nang i-flex ang part 2. So, minito sila pa siya part 3, guys. Kaya part 3, we will be the, the finish, the whole set na dyan siya. So, this time is the part 2 just because the part 2 kay, ang upper lang man siya ng part 1. So, again, ito na po, guys. So, ayan. Okay. As you can see po, guys, no? So, diba? The element of water. So, as you can see, more on blue at saka more in green kasi the green color is represent the deep in the sea, diba? Dagam siya nang kita nga something mga color na napoy pagka-green o pagka-pans underwater. So, of course, this is the color blue. So, as you can see, guys, very detailed po talaga siya, guys, no? So, dito nga part, guys, believe it or not, again, this is made of fish scales or himbis sa isda. So, kani siya nga part, guys, kaning green na mura na siya o kanang olive green na siya. So again, this is the details, no? At scented with pearl, of course, related na po na to ang pearl kay nasa dagat po na siya. Then again, seashells po, as you can see, the around the V-line is made of seashells po yan. At saka, as you can see, guys, may nakikita po tayong mga crystal stones, which is the color blue. So, as you can see, hindi po namin po tinatag o pinaheavy na lagyan ng mga stones kasi mawala po yung mga details niya, no, sa costume. So, as sa mga kasabihan po na too much decoration will destroy your creation. English to. Okay, as you can see, guys, no, this is the element of water, no. So, this is the details. So, kung ano lang po yan. Ito pala, guys, no, ito yung color blue. Again, as you can see, we're the eco lover, or we are using the eco-friendly. So this is made of chichirya or plastic wrapper. So blue. So guess kung ano po yung chichirya ginamit mo namin is color blue. May blue pong color na chichirya or junk food wrappers na ginamit po namin, no. Ito nga part na blue, guys. Okay, yan po, yan. Yan. So, konti lang po lang yung mga crystal stones kasi we're focusing sa materials po, which is the eco-lover. We're using the eco-friendly materials and made of indigenous or mga recyclable materials. So, again, hope po magustuhan nyo po ang aming one of the elements. So, may tatlo pa po tayong element na soon to be i-flex again. So, this time, again, the element of water. So, again, congrats pala sa atong Miss Water, no? Si ano po yon, si Miss, ano po yung, basta bago yung sa Miss Earth po, siya ang Miss Water po. So, nung tanong, nag-conjure me, now we are creating a 4 elements. So, since na po yung Miss Earth, so, kapunta, no, kaning 4 elements, tagaan chance, nga masutunta nila yung 4 elements, no, the water, the fire, just the air, and of course the earth. So this is the elemental queens, the elemental kuan. Again, thank you so much again for watching. See you next video, and don't forget to like and of course follow. So thank you again. This is your Neville RC, your egg queen. So bye for now. See you next video.